In this jQuery tutorials, I would like to explain some of the jQuery functions that are those are the event functions. Some of the jQuery event functions. Those are the function one trigger and trigger handler. Let's see the purpose. One function works as the same as the bind function, but the event handler is only never executed one time for each matched element. That means it will be executed only one time for that matched element on the HTML document. And then second one is trigger. In that we are going to pass two arguments, that is event and data. Triggers an event and every matched element. That means the all matched elements trigger function will be executed. This will also cause the default action of the browser to be executed. For example, passing click to the trigger function will also cause the browser to act as a through the item was clicked. That means we are clicking on that document of the document in the browser to it act as a through the item were clicked. That means items will be clicked through that items in HTML document. And then third one is trigger handler. In this two argument, that is event and data, triggers all bound event handlers on an element for specific event without executing the browser default actions. In this previously trigger will execute the default actions of the browser. In this trigger handler without executing the browser default actions, bugging or live events, only works on the first matched element on the result set for selectors. Let's see how it look like in web browser and how it works in web browser. Let's jump into our coding section. For that one I am going to open HTML in Visual Studio. This is the code for observing that functions. Here I am going to see how it looks like in our browser. Yes, here I have created three div tags with a background color aqua, and then pointer shows and the cursor shows the pointer in the div tag. For this one, see the corresponding code. Here I mentioned that cursor is pointer, and then these are the three div tags. For that one, in order to have the in between script tags, here I am going to selecting the div tags. Here I am selecting all div tags. For that one I am going to pass one function. On that one function I am going to first event is click, and then for that one corresponding I am going to pass a function with an argument event. In between function corresponding code is I am going to perform actions on that selection. For that one I am using this dot I am using change that here I am using CSS. In order observation I am changing CSS, and then I am going to change that background is red, and also cursor is auto. What we are going to use that CSS elements. For that one, when clicking on that everyone, it will execute only one time. Let's save it and open our web browser. Press F5, and then we are clicking to not wait a minute. Sorry, here I forgot that jQuery onload function. For that one I am going to write function function put in quotes here and then ending quotes here. So this, let's save it, press F5. When we click in, that background color will be changed here at once, and after that one, when we moving cursor, it will show auto cursor. That means you cannot perform any actions. It will only perform only one time, single time actions. Similarly, that trigger and trigger handler will also working. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.